simple hack or simple trick can save you less data whenever you are using Google Play Store to download any application. So when you use this trick, you will use lesser data next time. So let's go and see. Before then, make sure you follow this account and share to at least 5 people. And if you find this interesting, you can give it a like. So let's go to our Play Store. This is our Play Store. You click on Play Store. So when you open your Play Store, click on your picture icon. Click on this your picture icon. Then you come all the way down to settings. When you are in setting, you come to this network preferences. Then this option that says autoplay videos, click on it and you change it to don't autoplay videos. So with only this feature you turn on, it will save you much data from downloading from Google Play Store. So this is how you save your data from wasting it when you are using this Play Store. If you find this video helpful, you can give it a like and share to at least 5 people. And most importantly, we help business owners to run Facebook and Instagram ads. You can send a DM or check the link in my bio. See you again in another similar video like this.